What's up everybody, welcome to We Do Tech. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how do I get the moving wallpapers on my screens. So it is a wallpaper, it's not a video or anything, and today I'm just going to show you guys how to be able to do something like this to get a moving thunder thingy majiggy and something like this. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. It is unfortunately a paid program. It's only $5 though, but it is definitely worth the $5. So yeah, with that being said, let me quickly show you guys how to do this. Here we go. Do you live in South Africa and want to get yourself some awesome new gaming products? Well, check out Rebel Tech. They have extremely low prices and stock all the major brands like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, Corsair, and many more. They also have the new Ryzen Threadrippers in store, and when you purchase any selected Asus ROG monitors, you will get a copy of PUBG for free. So check out the link in the video description to go visit Rebel Tech. Okay, so just to show you guys that this is a wallpaper, I can right click on it, I can drag, right click, you can view, sort by, refresh, you can do all that stuff. So once you have decided that you actually want this, you can just go to Steam and just search for Wallpaper Engine. So it is $5, but personally it is worth the $5. I usually don't just buy stuff, but I really wanted to be able to do something like that. So I just bought it and it works excellent. So you can just download it, it's not too big. So yeah, it's also overwhelmingly positive, so there's really nothing bad about this thing. So you can just buy it. Once you've downloaded it, you can just open it up and it's going to ask you which monitor you want to use. So you can also link some of them together. So like my 4 here, I'm going to link the bottom 3 together. Just do that, and then it's one big one. Now it is going to stretch the wallpaper across them, so it is going to be out of the resolution is going to be like zoomed in, so it's not really going to look that great. So if you want to use something like only 2 wallpapers, get like a 4K image or something like that. Otherwise, yeah, it's not really going to look that good. But anyway, just select the monitor you would want and just change wallpaper. Once here, you can just go to your workshop. You do have a few ones here, I think like the Arsenal and then the flag and stuff like that you do have already installed. But if you want to actually download one, you can just go to the workshop up here. You can search it by most popular and stuff. You can also click on the filter here and it'll actually show you guys the tags. So if you want something like animals, you can do that. If you want memes, you can just search that. It's gonna get a few, so you can just download them with which one you would want. You also have a resolution you can select, so there's not really a lot of some 4K ones, but not a lot. And then you do have the type as well, so video, application, web. So application is more like you can actually interact with the background, but it does also take a lot more resources. So once you've actually gotten the one you would want, you can just go to installed, and then you can just select the one you want. Let's just take wherever that one. You can just see there, it's going to interact. You can also, let's take a cool one, is the flag. So you can actually change the colors of the flag here. So let's take, so yeah, as you guys can see, take that, and then let's take like a white there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Some of them you can interact with, some of them you can't. Some of them you can actually change colors, some of them you can't. But you can, with most of them, do the playback rate, so that's just going to increase the speed or slow it down. But I usually just leave it at 100, otherwise it's going to be too fast. But some of them, like I said, you can interact with. For example, the gun here, you can actually change some of the muzzles. You can change the whatever that is, the stock magazine. But these unfortunately are only able, you can only make them in Unity. So you actually have to know how to use Unity to do this, and I do not. But if you do know, you can create stuff like this. You can also create something like this, where you can actually you can see the line patterns there. You can add the date, time, and everything there as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's get rid of that. But if you actually want to create your own ones, you do have 2 options. You can either create your, that's gonna that you publish to the workshop. So on Steam, you just go create like new wallpaper, import. You can do whatever, import that thing, give it a name, and then boom. You can, once you've done, you can just say like prepare to publish. You're gonna do some stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you just want to get one from a file on your computer and not publish it to Steam, you can just go there, scroll to wherever you want to, and let's take that one. Boom, there we go. That's pretty much easy, simple. You can also, again, the play rate is going to be a bit faster. So yeah, it's pretty simple, not too much going on here. You can just create any wallpaper you want. You can take a music video if you want. You can take a movie if you want to do that. So you can actually spice it up a bit. So I did create this one. I'll quickly show you guys. The original was that. So I just took the same video file in the bin where this is installed, and then I created it into like this. I added WDT, powered by Rebel Tech. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can do literally a lot of stuff with this. And we can show you some of the ones I have. So it's just a bit of a waving effect here. You can get like the Matrix. You can get like this, which is pretty cool. Star Wars. Boom. You can also another Star Wars one. Some sheep, which is going to load. See, made by Unity. Made with Unity. And then some of them do have audio. I don't know if it's going to play audio now, but some of them do have, like the sheep just blared, whatever you call it. Then you also, you have that one. I personally use this one for the 3 monitors here. Let's just quickly go there. Okay, you're not going to be able to see that. But anyway, yeah, back to that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You do have some few settings you can just change here. So you can actually let it keep running when other stuff is over it, so other windows. You can let it stop when you're playing games, stuff like that. You can add the FPS of it. You can say the resolution. So that's just the higher resolution, the more resources it's going to take. So if you do not, if you don't really have a powerful system, just put it on low. Otherwise, it could slow down your computer a bit. But personally, I do have a Ryzen 1800X. It doesn't really do anything with that. Memory is also fine. Just quickly show you guys. So memory, that's mostly my Adobe stuff doing in the background. So it's taking most of the stuff, like 100 megs. So not a lot at all, which is nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to create your own ones and post it, leave a link in the video description so that everybody can go check it out. I'll leave a link for mine as well, the ones I've published, so you can use it if you want to. And that's pretty much it. So again, it is very simple and it is worth the $5. I tried it out, I loved it, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to keep creating my own wallpapers. It's nice that you can connect all 3 screens together. You can even connect like a 4th one if you want to as well, and just spice up your entire setup. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment like always. And also, I just reached 10,000 subscribers on the channel, which is crazy. So I am doing giveaways for that, which you can go check out in the link in the video description. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll check you guys next time. Cheers, guys.